Henkel introduces Loctite 3090, a new adhesive that has excellent adhesion on a wide range of substrates, cures in a few seconds, and fills gaps up to 5 mm. Need to fill gaps and require high-strength bonding? Even with heavy loads, Loctite 3090 is the solution. Its bonding benefits and low bloom offer a transparent and an aesthetic bond. Thanks to its gel formula, Loctite 3090 can be applied vertically and does not run. It offers a high strength in a few minutes. Loctite 3090 has numerous benefits. It will fill gaps up to 5 mm and bonds in less than 90 seconds on a wide range of substrates. Loctite 3090 is an ideal product for multiple applications. Its performance makes the product ideal for urgent repairs, even in extreme conditions. More than an epoxy, more than an instant adhesive, the innovative Loctite 3090 combines high strength, fast curing, and gap fill up to 5 mm. Results are immediate, transparent, and applicable on a wide range of substrates. Assemble and fill gaps within a few seconds with Loctite 3090. Another Loctite innovation.